Hi everyone, so today we are going to paint on the MDF board with acrylics. So starting with the sky first, and I will gradually add white into this blue mix to form a beautiful gradient like this. Afterwards, I am using sap green here. Firstly, I will add a little bit of black into my sap green mixture and then gradually add yellow as I reach to my horizon line. After adding few trees and bushes, I'll move towards the clouds. An easy way to paint the clouds is use the dry brush technique. As you can see, my brush is not even damp, it's completely dried. And I'm just forming and moving my brush in a very random way, just applying some loose strokes, you can say, as I am painting all of these with my imagination, so I don't have any kind of reference image here. So I'm just painting in my own way, some loose strokes, some very random strokes, you can say. And we are done. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video. Until then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.